Keep your car clean and clutter-free with the Noxgear Spill-Proof Car Trash Can. This 2.5-gallon bin is made from durable, waterproof Oxford material and features a leak-proof lid to trap mess and odors. A removable liner makes cleanup effortless, while side mesh pockets and a zippered front pouch add extra storage. It hangs easily from any headrest or console, making it perfect for road trips or daily commutes. Designed for modern drivers, it blends style with function, your essential upgrade for a cleaner, more organized ride. The Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a must-have for every driver. With a powerful 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it inflates tires quickly, reaching up to 150 pounds per square inch. Featuring 4 preset modes and a manual mode, it's perfect for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and more. The LED display shows real-time pressure, and the built-in emergency light is perfect for dark situations. It even doubles as a power bank with USB ports. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, this air compressor ensures you're always prepared for any flat tire emergency. The Egoku running light belt is the ultimate safety gear for night activities. With 1,000 lumens and a 230-degree illumination range, it offers 6 light modes, including front and tail lights for visibility. The belt is adjustable, fitting waist sizes from 28 inches to 51 inches, and includes 2 pockets for essentials like your phone and keys. USB rechargeable, weatherproof, and lightweight, it ensures comfort and durability for any outdoor activity. Stay safe, visible, and comfortable, whether you're running, walking, or cycling day or night. Introducing the Shargeek 100, the world's first see-through power bank that redefines portable charging. With a massive 25,600 mAh capacity, it powers your MacBook Pro, iPhone, iPad, or Steam Deck fast, thanks to 100-watt PD 3.0 and an adjustable 75-watt DC port. The smart IPS display shows real-time battery, voltage, and temperature. Built for tech lovers, it's airline safe and fully charges in just 90 minutes. With universal compatibility and a futuristic design, the Shargeek 100 isn't just a charger. It's power, precision, and style in your pocket. The Zeus X 6-in-1 universal cable by Futurista Tech is the all-in-one solution for fast, reliable charging. With 60-watt power delivery, 27-watt iPhone fast charging, and QC 3.0 support, it powers nearly every device: phones, laptops, tablets, and more. Military-grade braided for durability, it resists tangles and survives over 15,000 bends. A smart chip ensures safe, efficient charging, while the LED indicator makes it easy to find day or night. It even supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Data Sync. The Levo G2 rolling laptop workstation is built for comfort, freedom, and serious stability. Whether you're working from bed, sketching on the couch, or streaming from your chair, this 29-pound stand moves easily on 2-inch wheels and locks securely in place. Its adjustable swing arm and tray support laptops up to 16 inches, plus books, tablets, and art pads. Made from premium anodized aluminum, it's sleek, sturdy, and minimizes bounce while typing. Designed for home or office, the Levo G2 brings flexibility and function to your everyday life. Unleash cinematic magic anywhere with this mini projector. Its 180-degree swivel base transforms any surface, wall, or ceiling into a 130-inch 4K 1080p screen, boasting vivid HDR colors. Seamlessly stream Netflix, YouTube, and more via built-in apps and Wi-Fi 6. Perfect for small spaces, its 0.9:1 ratio delivers big pictures, while auto keystone and zoom ensure flawless visuals. Connect effortlessly via HDMI, USB, or wirelessly. This projector redefines portable entertainment, delivering a premium experience wherever life takes you. Never lose your reading glasses again with ThinOptics. These ultra-thin, armless readers, attached to a sleek keychain case, are always at your fingertips. Experience unparalleled comfort and a universal fit with their feather-light, durable design. Backed by patents and crafted with shatterproof lenses, they offer unmatched quality, available in various magnifications. The Shaymar outdoor wall lights bring effortless elegance and smart functionality to your home's exterior. With built-in dusk-to-dawn sensors, they automatically light up at sunset and turn off at sunrise. No switches needed. Made from anti-rust aluminum and ETL listed, they're built to withstand all weather. The sleek matte black finish and up-and-down lighting design create a modern, eye-catching look. Pre-assembled and easy to install, each 11.8-inch fixture includes Warme 19 LED bulbs. Shaymar delivers style, safety, and simplicity. perfect for porches, garages, patios, and more. The Noxgear Tracer2 is the ultimate safety vest for runners and cyclists. With 8 bright solid colors and 8 flashing modes, you can easily change your visibility to stay noticed from over a quarter-mile away. Designed for comfort, it's lightweight at only 6.5 ounces, breathable and sweat-resistant, perfect for any season. The 360-degree illumination ensures you're visible from every angle, and its adjustable fit accommodates all clothing, from jackets to t-shirts. Engineered for excellence, the Tracer 2 keeps you safe and seen, rain or shine. The Flame Essential Oil Diffuser combines a diffuser, humidifier, and nightlight in one sleek device. Add essential oils to create a relaxing atmosphere, while also improving air quality and combating dryness. The 7-color LED flame effect lights add a touch of ambiance, with the ability to turn off the light while sleeping. Ultra-quiet operation ensures peace, and the auto shut-off feature keeps things safe when water runs low. Introducing the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Gimbal Stabilizer, a game-changer for capturing life's moments. Its advanced 3-axis stabilization and ActiveTrack 7.0 technology ensures smooth, professional footage every time. The multifunctional module offers intelligent tracking, lighting, and DJI Mic 2 compatibility, enhancing your creative possibilities. With quick launch, a built-in extension rod and tripod, and up to 10 hours of battery life, it's designed for convenience and endurance. Upgrade your kitchen with the Spring Chef stainless steel can opener, a durable, easy-to-use tool designed for effortless can opening. Its sharp stainless steel cutting wheel glides smoothly, while oversized, soft grip handles provide comfort and control, perfect for seniors or those with arthritis. The extra-large knob ensures smooth turning, and the built-in magnet allows for hands-free lid removal. Plus, it includes a convenient bottle opener, making it a versatile 3-in-1 tool. Stay secure and organized with the Mungarista 2-pack Retractable Keychain. Built with a 31.5-inch stainless steel cord and 8-ounce retraction force, it holds keys and badges without slipping. The heavy-duty carabiner and durable badge reel provide quick, tangle-free access. Designed for reliability, the strong spring ensures smooth retraction every time. Perfect for work, travel, or everyday use, this keychain offers convenience and security in one. Experience sound like never before with the magnetic Levitation Bluetooth speaker. Floating and spinning mid-air, this futuristic speaker delivers immersive 360-degree audio with deep bass. Powered by Bluetooth 5.1, it ensures seamless connectivity for crystal-clear music. With up to 10 hours of playback, it's perfect for home, office, or as a unique gift. The mesmerizing levitation and built-in RGB lighting make it a true conversation starter. Say goodbye to dust with the UltraBlow VC023 air duster. With a powerful 100,000 RPM motor, it blasts away 99% of dust in seconds. Its cordless, lightweight design makes cleaning effortless, while the built-in LED light illuminates hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, it tackles keyboards, car interiors, and more. The rechargeable 7,500 mAh battery delivers up to 40 minutes of use. Ditch compressed air cans, UltraBlow is the smarter, eco-friendly way to clean. Enjoy fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Osaipoto 2-pound bread maker. With 17 customizable programs, you can bake everything from basic loaves to gluten-free bread and even yogurt. The 2-pound capacity is perfect for families, while the 15-hour delay timer ensures warm bread anytime. A powerful 600-watt motor delivers even baking with quiet operation. The non-stick pan makes cleanup a breeze. Simple, reliable, and versatile, the Osaipoto bread maker brings bakery-quality results to your kitchen. Imagine a juicer that liberates your hands and your time. The Nama J2 cold-press juicer isn't just a machine, it's your kitchen ally. Load the wide hopper, walk away, and watch as it transforms whole produce into vibrant, nutrient-rich juice. No more tedious feeding, just pure, efficient extraction. This powerhouse, with its 200-watt motor and quiet 50 RPM operation, maximizes every drop, minimizing waste. Cleanup, a breeze. Quick release parts and a brush make it effortless. Embrace the future of juicing effortlessly. Experience the ultimate blend of function and style with the JTEMAN 3-in-1 gadget. This phone stand doubles as a powerful Bluetooth speaker and alarm clock, Perfect for any space. Enjoy crisp audio, hands-free calls, and a clear HD display showing time and temperature. The adjustable, stable phone holder ensures comfortable viewing, while the dual alarm with snooze keeps you on schedule. Unleash portable printing power with the Polono D810. Imagine crisp, inkless prints of U.S. letter documents anywhere. This compact wonder, compatible with phones and laptops, uses thermal technology, eliminating ink hassles. Ideal for travel, office, or creative projects like tattoo stencils. Long-lasting battery, simple Bluetooth or USB connection, and clear output make it indispensable. This printer isn't just about printing, it's about freedom and efficiency at your fingertips. Experience powerful, immersive sound with the SOWO wireless dual Bluetooth speaker set. With HD audio technology, crisp highs, and deep bass, these speakers create a true 3D surround sound experience. Smart pairing ensures seamless connection, while Bluetooth 5.4 reduces latency for perfect audio-video sync. Adjustable stands provide stability, and the lightweight, waterproof design makes them ideal for any adventure. With up to 10 hours of battery life, enjoy premium sound anytime, anywhere. Unleash the power of your pen with the Livescribe Smartpen. Effortlessly capture handwritten notes, drawings, and audio, syncing everything digitally. Transform handwriting to searchable text in 28 languages and replay audio by tapping your notes. Share instantly as PDFs, images, or documents, or sync to your favorite cloud services. Experience the natural feel of writing with the convenience of digital. The Livescribe Smartpen, where traditional note-taking meets modern efficiency. Say goodbye to clutter with the 2-pack multi-purpose pull-out storage organizers. Perfect for undersinks and cabinets, these sturdy organizers provide ample space to keep your kitchen and bathroom essentials neatly stored. Made from durable plastic and metal, they hold heavy items without bending. The pull-out drawer design ensures easy access, while tool-free assembly makes setup effortless. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in buying this product, check the description box below.